Chinese astronaut puzzled by knocking sound in space. Imagine you're alone in a tiny spacecraft. It's your first time up there, all alone in endless space. Then suddenly a knocking sound. That's what happened to Yang Liwei, China's first man in space, on his maiden flight in 2003. In a recent interview, he has now recalled hearing someone knocking the body of the spaceship just as knocking an iron bucket with a wooden hammer. It neither came from outside nor inside the spaceship. Naturally, he got a bit nervous and had a peek out the porthole but failed to spot any explanation for the eerie knock. He's not been able to figure out what it was, neither up in space nor after returning to Earth. He has even tried but failed to recreate